This video is to point out a few things that I did not mention in the other videos and one small correction. Um, One thing was I had shown that there's a difference between there's a Rev 1 and a Rev 2, and it has something to do with this button right here. The way you can change that between this version, Rev 1 version, and Rev 2 version is first I'll show you in the debug mode so you can actually see it occur. Um, it's in the source code and it's near the top of the code, and it's right here, hide window. So if you run it as true, your results will be as this. There's no, you do not have an option to hide the window. When you run the test, it runs the test just like this. It doesn't show anything in the background. It just goes through the test. There's no, it doesn't show the command windows, is what I'm saying. So that's the first one. I'm going to stop it and I'm going to show you the difference between the two. And all you do is type false. It's all lowercase. So now you don't want to hide the window, and it gives you the option to where you can hide it or not hide the window, is what this does. And again, all I did was change this. I'm recompiling it, and then I press the run button while in debug mode. You can do the same thing in release mode, and you can release it this way as well. And now you see that it has the option to hide the window. So I'm going to run it first without hiding the window. And you see the window pops up, and you can see the test running in the background. And then you can press the button and you can run it again, and now you won't see the test come up. It's running in the background now. So that's the difference between the two versions, and that's how to change between both versions. It's right here. One other thing that I just added, is something I forgot to add. It's at the very end of the code, and it's this function, file compatibility. It's the very end of the code. I added this line right here. You need to add this line so it closes the file. You don't want to have a file open while it would keep opening the file. It would just keep opening it. So I close the file. Every time it enters this function, I open it and then I close it at the end of the function. So I just wanted to make sure that you close your file.